In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a channel template in Slack step by step, so you can instantly organize your channels, onboard teammates faster, and keep conversations consistent across your workspace. Channel templates are incredibly useful for teams that create similar types of channels again and again, like project channels, support channels, or announcement channels. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Slack tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into Slack and inside your workspace. From the left sidebar, go to the channel where you want to work with templates, or simply open any example channel so you can access the channel options. Once you're inside the channel, look toward the top of the screen where the channel name is displayed. This is where Slack hides most of the advanced settings. Next, click on the channel name or the small arrow next to it to open the channel menu. From this menu, select the More option and then click on Tools. This section contains additional features that aren't always used daily, but they're extremely powerful once you know where to find them. Inside the Tools menu, click on Channel Templates. This will open Slack's built-in template library. These templates are designed to help you quickly set up channels with pre-filled messages, guidelines, and structures, depending on your use case. Now you'll see a list of available templates. Take a moment to browse through them and click on any template that fits your needs. For example, you might choose a project kickoff template, a help desk template, or a team updates template. When you click on a template, Slack will show you a preview so you know exactly what will be added to the channel. Once you've decided on the template you want, click on Use Template. Slack will then ask you to choose which channel you want to apply this template to. This is helpful because you can apply templates to existing channels or use them when creating new ones. From the list of channels, choose the channel you want by clicking on it. Double-check that you've selected the correct channel, especially if your workspace has a lot of similar channel names. After selecting the channel, click on Create. Slack will now begin setting up the template. This may take a few moments, depending on the template and the size of your workspace. Finally, you'll see a confirmation message. Click on Got it, and Slack will finish applying the template in the background. After a short time, your channel will be fully set up with the template content in place, ready for your team to start using right away. And that's it. You've successfully added a channel template in Slack. This is a great way to save time, stay organized, and make sure everyone on your team follows the same structure from day one. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tips and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.